Imagine this, a sky filled with powerful Boeing B-17 flying fortresses during World War II. These aircraft, with their unmistakable silhouette and roaring engines, were a sight to behold. Flying in formation was not just about looking impressive, it was a dangerous dance of precision and skill. Pilots had to keep their eyes glued on the aircraft just feet away, knowing a mistake could lead to disaster. The tight formations allowed gunners to create overlapping fields of fire, forming a protective shield. Despite the risks, these brave crews pressed on, driven by camaraderie and the mission at hand. Want to dive deeper into stories of bravery and strategy? Subscribe for more World War II content.